We're now talking about floating point number type, and we have a couple of challenges here. The first challenge asks, are there any inherent limitations when using the float data type with extremely small numbers? We talked about this in the lesson. This is called underflow. Um, right? There's just not enough bits in the number to keep track of such a small number. So we can actually say, yes, that is an issue. Check our answer. And it does explain that that is due to underflow. Now, for our second challenge, we're asked, which of the following statements is not true? First statement, a float can only hold a certain amount of precision based on the number of bits it has been allotted in the memory. That's the reason for underflow that we just talked about. So that's true. When comparing floats against each other, Python will automatically check if they are close enough to being equal. That strikes me a little odd. Most computer science things are not. They're usually pretty precise, not about equal or close enough. So let's consider that one as maybe a potential option. The third statement says an int can be converted into a float by use of the float function. That's exactly how it works. The fourth statement says a float can be assigned to a variable using the assignment operator. That's the equals sign, just like an integer. That's true. They're instantiated the same exact way. And lastly, Python will automatically handle type differences between int and float when making calculations. That's true. We can, do arithmetic between the two types without having any issues having to cast one into another type. So the only one that's odd is this comparison of floats and the close enough, and we can tell that is actually true. So that's it for these two challenges. There is one more challenge that is going to be described in the next video, and then we will see you over on the next lesson, which talks about the Boolean data type.